Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Honda Rebel 500. This is the cafe model, which has a little mini fairing and fork boots. Beautiful titanium paint scheme with a brown seat. It's also got the engine guard and the luggage rack and the saddlebag stays. Beautiful condition. And best of all, only 94 miles on this bike. Come on by and get your perfect brand new Rebel 500 Cafe. Only $68.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.